The predominant traits of psychopathy differ between cultures, experts have claimed. When the term psychopath is mentioned, a number of famous fictional figures spring to mind: Patrick Bateman, Freddy Krueger and Dexter Morgan, to name a few. While many may assume that the main attributes of a psychopath's personality would be universal, new research has discovered that they do seem to vary across different cultures. A team of researchers led by Bruno Verschuur, Associate Professor of Forensic Psychology at the University of Amsterdam, carried out a study of 7,450 individuals exhibiting psychopathic characteristics in the US and the Netherlands. They used the Psychopathy Checklist Revised, PCLR, to examine the participants. The Psychopathy Checklist was first devised in the 1970s by Canadian psychologist Robert D. Ayer. The most updated version of the psychological assessment tool, the PCLR, consists of 20 items that denote the personality traits and recorded behaviors typically associated with a psychopath. The PCLR is implemented by mental health professionals. The results are then used to determine whether psychopathic individuals are likely to commit criminal offenses and if they can be rehabilitated. Some of the qualities considered include selfishness, callousness and antisocial behavior. The researchers analyzed 2 large samples in the U.S., one from the National Institute of Mental Health and the second from Wisconsin. Callousness or lack of empathy was the main item noted from the PCLR in both of the U.S. samples. However, the results differed when the team examined the Dutch sample. While callousness or lack of empathy was still recorded as being a predominant characteristic among the psychopathic individuals, irresponsibility and a parasitic lifestyle was even more so. The researchers believe that this demonstrates how personality traits exhibited by psychopaths could be indicative of where they're from. Mental health is attracting widespread public attention, with celebrities, politicians and even royalty keen to share more about their struggles. 1 in 4 people in the UK experience a mental. The findings raise the important possibility of cross-cultural differences in the phenotypic structure psychopathy, PCLR measurement variance, or both, they wrote. Network analyses may help elucidate the core characteristics of psychopathological constructs, including psychopathy, as well as provide a new tool for assessing measurement invariance across cultures. According to a recent study, around 1 in 5 corporate bosses display clinically significant psychopathic traits.